Good morning, everyone. It's Kirby Weather 5919 here. It is roughly 4:30 in the morning, and I should be sleeping at this time of night. All lights are off. And then, all out of a sudden, all my weather radios, well, except for the WR100, blasted me awake to go off for this. Another severe thunderstorm warning. Yes, it's issued from my county. Yes, I am in the warned area. There's no message on this thing, so I'm gonna have to move this. It will be affected until the next 40 minutes. My Sandy NCL 100 got it. So did my WR 120. Sorry for the shaking. And on the Eton Zone Guard. It didn't scare me awake, but it just blasted me awake. I also got it on the KEC56.